Hello everyone, welcome back to Hair Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some hot hairstyle ideas that you can try out this season. So first up we have this hair color change. Looks like she's going with the red family. So as you guys already know, red hair is trending heavily for this fall season. And she has also decided to get a bob haircut. Wow, absolutely gorgeous ginger tone. She looks amazing. So then we move into another hair color change for this next transformation. Looks like she's getting very slight layers put in as well. So there is the before and there is the after. Beautiful layers, love the color as well. Absolutely gorgeous hair change. So then we see someone with like a reddish toned hair. Stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. Oh, looks like she went with like a lavender or platinum shade. Oh. Actually, I think that's more of like an ash colored blonde. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Love this bob. The color looks phenomenal. She looks amazing. So chic and stylish. So then we see how to curl and style a bob. Exterior Glam is one of my favorite influencers to follow for hair tips as far as like short hairstyling and things of that nature. She has a bob like always and it just looks perfectly polished and amazing. So she's simply adding some curls here with a flat iron. And she was able to create this really pretty textured bob look. So it looks like she's doing like a cool hoop style hairstyle. She has bird going here in the middle. Really bold red hair. And then she's gonna do a half up, half down style. Oh, this is pretty. Gorgeous, such a cute hairstyle. So then we see someone with an undercut. So she's just kind of shaping up the hair. And by the way, if you guys haven't already done so, if you are feeling inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, definitely be sure to give this video a like. It really helps my channel out. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, love this undercut. So stylish and chic. So then we see someone with the tapered haircut, line detailing, zigzag pattern on the side, natural curls throughout. Then we see another bob haircut. Looks like she's getting a very blunt bob. Beautiful color, very well blended. And then we see another Pixie. So this one looks like the silver white tone. Beautiful color, and of course she has an undercut as well. I actually think that's the same girl from before. I think she just cut some bangs in the front, so it's kind of hard for me to tell that that was her at first, but I believe that is the same girl. I think it looks better with bangs in the front, the undercut that she has. It was chic before, but the bangs just really elevated it. And it looks like she also kind of turned it into more of a pixie undercut versus the old classic undercut style. So here we have another lob. This one is chocolate brown coloring. Oh, another bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous tousled bob. Alright you guys, so thanks for checking out these hairstyles with me. If you enjoyed them, please be sure to give this video a like and make sure that you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.